Hi friends, we'll try to find out what is the value of 40 power 40 divided by 20 power 20. At first, we can write down this 40 as 20 plus 20 over 20 power 20. Now, because there is an addition, if I split them, I can write down that as 40 power 20 multiply by 40 power 20 over 20 power 20. Now, because it is the same power, I can write down this as like 40 power 20 multiply by 40 power 20 over 20 power 20. Now, my power is the same. So I can write down that as 40 power 20 multiply by, I can get this common power 20 and I can write down 40 divided by 20, which will be 40 power 20 multiply by 40 divided by 20 is 2 power 20. Now I've got the same power 20 and 20, so I can multiply 40 and 2. So I can do 40 times 2 power 20. 40 times 2 is 80, so that will be 80 power 20. And this is my final answer of the question here. Thank you, guys.